Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to GNANGSTUDIO for the Today, I have made some problem with my DaVinci Resolve Studio. This problem of exportation. This is why I decided to come back on Adobe Premiere Pro. And as you can see, this is a brand new version of Adobe Premiere Pro. This is version 14.3.2. I want to test this right now. Before doing this, let me show you something special that you need to know. Okay, if you have NVIDIA graphic cards, get ready, because on NVIDIA graphic card there is something special for fast rendering on Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see, you need to install NVIDIA Studio driver. I have my G4 GTX 1660 Ti and it's working very well. Okay, come here and program basic software. You need to install. You need to add Adobe Premiere Pro here. Okay, just like that. Okay, now let's see something else. I have GeForce Experience. And on GeForce Experience, you can see more information about the driver. As you can see, is update. Okay, wonderful. You have more information that you need to know about this, the latest studio driver, and you can see Adobe Premiere Rush and Premiere Pro. You can see Creator has been in all other Adobe's auto reframe features in Premiere Pro. Okay, you can read yourself. As you can see, there are some new features into like fast final renders and AI denoising with RTX. Okay, if you have RTX graphic cards. Okay, but there's something special on this version. Wonderful. Now let me open the brand new Adobe Premiere Pro that I have downloaded. Okay, wonderful. This is the latest Adobe Premiere Pro driver right now. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Now, make a choice. Welcome. As you can see here, this is what you can do with this. Is amazing. You can see this. You have this like list and what? And this. Wonderful. Have this. What you can do, this is one of the new features on this version. What is this version about? This is Adobe Premiere Pro version 14.3.2. I have updated this version just a few minutes ago. I have not tested this, but I think that there is something special inside. Okay, fast rendering with NVIDIA graphic card. Okay, This is what I want to show you right now. Look at, beautiful. Now look at that performance. You can see NVIDIA, you can see the memory, have processors. Look at almost 7 GB of RAM using. Wow, this is amazing. Now Ctrl plus M on a keyboard to access to this, and you have all of this, you know. And under you can see here performance, and you can choose software. This in French, I can say in English for you. Use codec, software codec, and when you see NVIDIA here, look at NVIDIA. When you see NVIDIA here, is good for you for fast rendering. And you can also change the bitrate, your bitrate. Okay, I use 2 megabyte of bitrate for the buff. Okay, for fast rendering. You can see size here. Thank you. This is very nice. I want to test this after to see if it's working very well. Okay, all of this in French. Wonderful. When we do this, look at that. Great memory. Alright, as you can see, it's working very well. No problem with this. And wonderful. Look at the size of my timeline. Beautiful. Okay, wonderful. I like it. Beautiful. No problem with this. Nice. Okay, this is nice. Very nice. Adobe Premiere Pro, a brand new version with fast rendering. This is what I'm talking about. You can also download this and install yourself. Okay, thank you. This is just a presentation to you. Nice, very good. Okay, thanks for watching. I also want you to enjoy this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like and share, and get ready for more videos like that on GNANGSTUDIO for the. Thank you. As you can see, it's working very well, no problem, and I like it. You have colors, color here, you can choose what you want, and do what you want here. This is nice. No problem with this. I think that is not bad. Not bad. Okay, now let's go to the next video. Maybe I will make video editing for you all. I will test this with the new version and see if it's working very well. If I meet a problem, I will talking to you on the next video. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. I will love you, bro. God bless you all. Thank you.